Beauty. So in the last couple of videos I've been telling you all that I'm going to start something really exciting on my channel, and this video is all about that stuff. So let's get started without any further ado. So I'm going to start a new series on my channel which is going to be called as the Makeup Makeover series. This Makeup Makeover series is something that I've been planning for a really long time, and I'm so happy that I finally am actually shooting this video and telling you guys about it, because this is really special to me, because I just wanted to do something different so that this is actually going to be really helpful for all you girls out there. So how this series is actually going to work is I'm going to pick a few people amongst my subscribers and I'm going to do their makeover. So you get a chance to actually sit right next to me and get a makeover from me, and this is extremely exciting. And I'm going to tell you how I actually thought about this idea. So one day I was just watching a couple of YouTube videos and I was just like, that girl is using certain products which might not work for my skin type or skin tone or skin concerns that are there. So I was just like, maybe I should start something on my channel which is going to be more interactive, and I can actually help out my subscribers with respect to what products to use and what their skin type is and all of that stuff. And that's why I started this series, and this is just really exciting. I hope you guys are going to like this. So what I'm going to basically do is that I'm just going to help you guys figure out what products to actually purchase for your particular skin type, skin tone and all of that. And I'm also going to help you guys actually tackle issues such as if you have something like pigmentation or dark circles or large pores or acne and all of that stuff. So I'm actually going to show you how you can do your makeup on your skin tone, your skin type and skin concerns. I know I've been repeating these three words quite often, but I just wanted to make it quite clear that this is just going to be a way of me telling you how you guys can do makeup on yourself and use certain products. And that's why this is just going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to interact with you guys on a personal basis, and that's why I absolutely love this new idea. I hope you guys like it too. And you don't have to worry guys, because this is not going to be a competition of any sorts. I just wanted to make it more simple and more interactive, and that's why I wanted to start this series. You just have to be a subscriber obviously to my channel, because I'm doing this for my subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't already, make sure you hit the button right now. And the next thing is that you're just supposed to fill up a form. So in the description box below I'm going to mention a link. Okay, you just have to click on that link, and then there'll be a form that'll open up, and you just have to fill up that form. It's extremely simple. That form has details like contact number, name and all of that, so that I can contact you when you get chosen for that particular makeover that's there. And I'm prepared for the makeover, so that's why I've just made a simple form. You just have to fill that in and you will be registered for that particular makeover. And don't worry, I'm going to be doing these makeovers every once or twice a week, so definitely you guys are going to be a part of these videos. So just register and that's it, nothing else. So I hope you like this idea that's there. Now I'm just going to show you on my laptop screen how the form looks like, so that it's much easier for you guys. Also, I'm really sorry guys that this is only limited to the people who are staying in Mumbai. I really cannot do much about it. I know it seems unfair, but seriously I'm really sorry about that. But this is just going to help girls everywhere, because I'm going to tackle a lot of issues, so don't worry about that. And if you have any doubts or queries with respect to anything, just make sure you leave a comment down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I'm sure that I'm going to reply to all of you guys. And my dog is just barking right now. She has to bark when I'm shooting a video. So yeah, just please ignore that. I'm sure I'm telling you guys that I'm going to reply to all of your queries and everything, because I really want to help you guys out. So make sure you do that. I'm going to reply to you like within maybe in 10 minutes, because I'm really active on my social media. And when it comes to social media, I just want to say that make sure you follow me on my social media right now. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, handle is bestofbeauty29. Also, I have started my new blog, which is really exciting because I do lots of product reviews over there, so make sure you check that out. Those products are actually rarely mentioned in my videos, so yeah, those are some exciting products. So now I'm just going to show you how this form looks like on my laptop, so let's get started with that. So if you guys didn't already know where the description box is, I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the video, and just scroll down, and then in here you can see the description box. So here I will specifically write in bold letters, register here for a makeover, and there'll be a link mentioned. So just click on the link that is there. When you click on that particular link which is mentioned in the description box below, this form will open up, and you just have to fill in these details like your name, age, your contact number, then your email address, then your current address, and you need to mention the gender as well. Then you also have to mention your skin type, skin issues and skin tone, because this is just going to make it much easier for me, you know, to be prepared with the makeup products and all of that. And if you don't have any skin issues, then just write none. Then list of makeup products you already own. If you don't own any makeup, just write here none. And if you own makeup, then just mention what makeup you own so that I know what I have to be prepared with, and just submit it. That's it. This is how simple the form is. So make sure you fill in this form accurately, because I want these details, and you know, that is how I can, you know, contact you guys as well. So make sure you fill in this form, guys. So this is how the form looks like, guys, and it's really simple. You just have to fill in a couple of details and that's it, and you will be registered for the makeover that's there. So make sure you do that. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys found this new concept really exciting, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends, because you know, the more you share, obviously the more people are going to come to know about this makeover, and more people are going to get a chance to actually get featured in these videos. And if your friend is living in Mumbai, then definitely make sure you tell her that, because you know, I would love to do a makeover, and you know, it's going to help a lot of girls everywhere around the world, because I'm going to, you know, deal with a lot of issues. So make sure to do that. Also, one more thing I wanted to ask you guys is that, do you want me to do a Q&A wherein, you know, I answer a couple of questions with respect to maybe makeup, or if you have any questions, you know, about me, because I feel like I haven't interacted, you know, on a personal basis, so I would love to do that. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a Q&A, and if you want me to do one, then make sure you leave the questions as well, because I would love to do that. And if I get a lot of questions, then I would definitely do a Q&A. I really cannot say Q&A. So yeah, I would love to do a Q&A for you guys as well. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, because only subscribers can be a part of this makeover series, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. So make sure you do that, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you.